Okay, discuss number one. Advice on surfing holidays. Number one, recommend surfing for.
Uh, oh, okay, a family.
Nice, family. Number two, need to be quiet.
Quickly,
Need to be quiet quickly.
quick,
When you try to surf, you need to make sure that yourself.
fit.
Yeah, quite fit. How you spell fit?
FIT.
Nice. Number three, lines have some good quality.
Hotels, yeah.
Yeah, hotels. Because lessons for schools, it should be surf school itself. So it should be hotel. Continue. Good surf school at. It's a little bit confusing because you need to spell. How you need to answer number four? Karoneskai.
That was a few years ago when the kids were younger. There's a good surf school at Karoniski Beach.
How do you spell that?
CARROWNISKEY.
Okay.
E. No, not A.
Ya, benar. Not nice.
What do you mean not nice? Not nice. What do you mean not nice?
I hate spelling.
No. Welcome to IELTS. Surf camp lasts for